Hi guys, in front of me is MatePad SE and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper, click on wallpaper, and now you can select the album from which you want to select your picture. For example, let me choose my wallpapers. Actually, there's just one, so let's go to classic, choose the one that you want to apply, for example this one, and if you wish to activate it, just tap on apply, and then decide if it's for your lock screen, home screen, or both of them. I will choose both, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, it has been applied. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.